Welcome to another session of Ebenezer Gate coaching classes. For the signal flow graph shown below, find C of S by R of S. So we'll have to use Mason's rule. So when you use Mason's rule, C of S by R of S is equal to sigma delta K Pk by delta. How many loops are there?
Sir, 5 loops, sir.
One loop here. This is L1, L2, this big loop, L3, then L4, L5. Okay. How many loops are not touching each other?
Sir, 5
L1,
non-touching.
L1, L2, L1,
L3, sir.
L1, L3 is this. L1 and L3 are touching.
Yes, sir. L4, L4.
L1, L4, L1, L5. Okay. For L2, L2, L5. For L4, you already considered. Only for these four combinations, right?
Sir, L3 and L5, sir.
Sorry, L3, L5, L3. Okay. Then three non-touching loops. L1, L2, L5. Okay. L1, L2, L5. Any other combinations, sir? No.
Sir, I cannot understand, sir. Why L1, L2 and L5, sir?
Three non-touching loops.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Three loops that don't touch each other.
Yes,
See,
sir.
two non-touching loops we have seen. Then three. There are three loops that don't touch each other.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3. Okay. L1 touches L3, L1 touches L2 touches L3. So L3 cannot be combined with L1, L2. L1
Sir,
and L2 are
your
not
voice
touching.
is breaking, sir.
Huh? What? What did you say?
Sir, before that, your voice is breaking, sir.
Now is it clear?
Yes, sir. Now clear, sir. But before.
Okay, no problem. So three non-touching loops is also there. Normally it won't be there. Here it's there. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
delta, what is L1? Minus G1 H1. What is L2? Minus G3 H3.
Minus G2H2.
What is L3? G1, G2, G3 into minus 1. Minus G1, G2, G3. What is L4? Minus G4, H4. What is L5? minus G5 H5. Then L1, L2, L1, L4, L1, L5. L1, L2. L1, L2 is G1, G3, H1, H3. Then L1, L4, L1, L5. L1, L4. G1, G4, H1, H4. Then L1, L5. L1, L5. What is that? G1, G5, H1, H5. Then L2, L5, L3, L5. L2, L5 is G3, G5, H3, H5. L3, L5. G1, G2, G3, G5, G1, G2, G3, G5, H5. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, only 5. L1. Then L1, L2, L5. L1, L2, L5. So L1, L2, L5. This is G1, G3, L5 is G5. G5, H1, H3, H5 minus. Okay. So delta is, so let me write delta here. So delta is 1 minus L1. So 1 plus G1 H1 plus G3 H3 plus G1 G2 G3 plus G4 H4 plus G5 H5, then plus non-touching, sum of non-touching, two non-touching loops, like for 5 other, G1, G3, H1, H3 plus G1, G4, H1, H4 plus G1, G5, H1, H5 plus G3, G5, H3, H5 plus G1, G2, G3, G5, H5. So I have added all two loops, two non-touching loops, product of two non-touching. Then I'll have to subtract 3, product of 3. So I'll have to subtract minus of minus will be plus. So this will be G1, G3, G5, H1, H3, H5. So this is delta. And what is, how many forward paths are there?
Sir, one, sir.
Huh? Only
One
one.
forward path.
Only one. And all loops are touching that.
Yes, sir.
So delta 1 is 1. Delta
Yes,
1
sir.
is 1 and P1 is G1, G2, G3, G4, G5. Okay. So the answer is, so C of S by R of S is, P1 is G1, G2, G3, G4, G5 into delta 1 is 1. G1, G2, G3, G4, G5 into delta 1 is 1 divided by delta. 1 plus G1 H1 plus G3 H3 plus G1 G2 G3 plus G4 H4 plus G5 H5 plus G1 G3 H1 H3 plus G1 G4 H1 H4 plus G1 G5 H1 H5 plus G3 G5 H3 H5 plus G1 G2 G3 G5 H5 plus G1 G3 G5 H1 H3 H5. This is the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is how you have to solve this problem. So now we'll go to another problem. Shall I do this problem?
Yes, sir.
This we have done. We will do this. For the block diagram shown below, determine the transfer function using block diagram reduction technique. Now, what we'll do is, if we remove this from here to here, then this has to be multiplied here. So the diagram will be R of S. You will have plus here, minus here. Then you will have a summer here. (20 by S plus 5). And since you are removing this from here to here it is multiplied by 100 by S square. That multiplication is removed here. So you'll have to multiply here so that you get the correct ones. So this will be pi by S into 100 by S squared. So this will be 500 by S cubed. and 100 by S. This is yours. And this you have a 2 by S. So this is a negative feedback. So G of S by 1 plus G of S H of S. So this can be replaced by one block. This can be replaced find by SQ. So you will have I'm also multiplying it by 10, okay? So 10 times 10 times G of S by, that is 20 by S plus 5 divided by 1 plus G of S H of S. So 20 by S plus 5 into 500 by S cube. So I have combined those two blocks and this here we have 2 by S. And here you have 100 by S square. This CFS.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in the diagram it's showing 10 is added only, no, sir. So you multiplied. Oh, sir.
No, this becomes one block. This adder goes.
Yes, sir.
So you'll get one block here. When you have two blocks,
This is
if you have two blocks
Sir.
G1 and G2, it is G1, G2. This becomes one block. The summer is removed.
Oh, okay, sir.
Summer is removed and it becomes a block. So there is no more a summer there. It is one block. When two blocks are one after the other, you will multiply.
So we added negative feedback formula, no, sir.
Yes. 20.
Okay.
So for this, it will be 20 by S plus 5 numerator divided by 1 plus 20 by S plus 5 into 500 by S cube. So what I'll do, I will multiply numerator and denominator by S cube into S plus 5. So if I multiply with numerator, this will become 20 S cube and S plus 5 will get cancelled, divided by S plus 5 into S cube plus 2 into 500 is 1000, 20 into 500 is 10,000 plus 10,000. So that will be this block. That will be multiplied by 10. So you'll get.
Sir, but plus symbol is opposite.
Huh?
Sir, but plus symbol is near to 10 only. How, sir, it become negative feedback? For negative feedback, it should be towards 20 by S.
No, that's what. Here it is negative, right? Output is negatively
Yes,
fed into the input. This is input.
Yes, sir.
This minus this is this, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so there's a negative feedback. So this is G of S, this is H of S. G of S by 1 plus G of S, H of S.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then you multiply, it is a block. It is a block here. This block is multiplied by 10. That's all, simple.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Then again you have one block here and a feedback 2 by S. Again negative
Yes, sir.
feedback. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So whatever I have done here, I'll write it here. 200 S cube by this block is, this block I'm writing 200 S cube by S plus 5 into S cube plus 10,000. And now you have, this is G of S now, this is H of S. G of S by 1 plus G of S, H of S will be 200 S cube by S plus 5 into S cube plus 10,000 divided by 1 plus negative feedback 2 by S into H of S into the same 200 S cube by S plus 5 into S cube plus 10,000. So I'll have to multiply numerator and denominator by this S into this. So if I multiply it by there, I'll get 200 S power 4 divided by S plus 5 into S cube plus 10,000 plus 2 into 200 is 400. 400 S cube. So for this, so this is this becomes one block. This becomes one block, and that block is multiplied by 100 by S squared. Okay, so this multiplied by 100 by S squared is the answer. So this big block, this becomes one block. What is this? 200 S power 4 by S plus 5 into S cube plus 10,000 plus 400 S cube. And you have another block 100 by S squared. So this, you can multiply these two. If you multiply these two, S square and S power 4 will get cancelled. You will get 200 into 100 is 20,000. 20,000 S squared divided by S plus 5 into S cube is S power 4 plus 5S cube plus 400 S cube is 405 S cube. Plus 10,000. So this is C of S by R of S. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this. The SFG of for a system is shown below. Obtain the transfer function using Mason's gain formula. Now, how many loops are there? One.
3, sir.
One loop. This is another loop. This is a third loop.
Sir, 5 loops, sir.
This is one more loop. Okay. 5 loops are there. Okay. Now, let me write those loops. L1 is G1, G2 minus H1. This is one loop. G1, G2 minus H1. L2 is G2, G2, G3 minus H2. Okay. Then L3. L3 is G1, G2, G3, G1, G2, G3 into minus 1. G1, G2, G3 into minus 1. Okay. Then L4 is minus G1, G4, G1, G4 into minus 1. G1, 1 into G1, G4 into minus 1. So minus G1, G4. Then one more loop is minus G4, H2. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Then,
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
yes.
Sir, in finding loop, how, sir? When I saw this diagram first, I thought there is only 3 loops, sir. But you said and Bala said that there are 5 loops, sir.
So,
How, sir? How do
this
we?
is one loop, right?
Yes, sir.
This is one loop. From here to here, if you go, you can go like this also, no?
Yes, sir.
So this loop you didn't see. Similarly,
Yes,
when
sir.
you come from here, you can go like this, or you can come like this.
Yes, sir.
So in the same path, there's the alternate path, means that also can form a loop. That's what I'm saying. You start from one point, if you are able to get to the same point through another path, that is also a loop.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Now let me take a plane. Now here, again tell me what is L1, L2? L1
L1 is
minus
G1,
G1,
G2,
G2, H1.
and
2.
H1.
G2, G2, G3,
H2.
L3 minus G1, G2, G3. L4 minus
G1,
G4.
G4, sir.
L5
Minus G4, H2.
okay. Out of which are not, anything is non-touching?
Sir, all are touching, sir.
L1 is touching L2. L1 is touching.
Sir, L3. Sir, in L3, you wrote G1, G2, G3, sir, but by seeing that there is no loop, sir, that is straight line, no, sir, forward path, looking like forward path.
G1, G2, G3 minus 1.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
G1, G2, G3 minus 1.
Okay, sir.
So this loop, if I take G1, G2, H1, this loop is touching this loop, 1, 2, all 4 loops it is touching. And this loop, if you take, it is touching this loop, it is touching this loop, it is touching this loop. So, okay, if you take L3, G1, G2, G3, that is also touching every other loop. G1, G4. This is also touching every loop. G4, G2. So every loop is touching every other loop. So delta is only 1 plus G1, G2, H1 plus G2, G3, H2 plus G1, G2, G3 plus G1, G4 plus G4, H2. Okay, this is delta. And what is PK? How many forward paths are there?
2, sir.
2. One
Yes,
is
sir.
G1, G2, G3. P1 is G1, G2, G3. Is there any loop which is not touching that path? All loops are touching that path.
Yes, sir.
And P2 is G1, G4.
G4.
So there also that also every loop is touching.
Yes, sir.
So delta 1 is 1. Delta 2 is 1. So P1 delta 1 is this. So answer is G1, G2, G3 plus G1, G4 divided by delta. So answer is C of S by R of S is equal to G1, G2, G3 into 1 plus G1, G4 divided by 1 plus G1, G2, H1 plus G2, G3, H2 plus G1, G2, G3 plus G1, G4 plus G4, H2. Okay. So this is
Yes, sir.
to this problem. So I think we have done all the problems. So we don't have time to do another problem. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.